Did you even ask?
Ask who? My own mum. Okay, you get on to Warnie.
Why did
Sunset foods. They're eating there, bro. Bruh, these are huge, bro. They just be chilling. Big chilling. Ben chilling. Yeah. Look at that big daddy over there. That one's huge. Massive. Oh yeah. So Chika, we planted this grass over here from years back. Hello Liam, eh? I don't know which side to go. Huh? A picnos. No, we just came out for a ride. Hey Michael, kan jullie dan zien? There's another spot, but I don't know what was that. Yes. Safaros. We've just arrived to the goats. Unplanned excursion. Oh, unplanned excursion, but we are here by the goats. So let's. Huh? Come on. Nah, they won't. Hopefully not. Yeah. It's close enough. It's easy. It's just like that. I think it's the small ones are there. Some of the small ones. See, they're coming.
Yeah, because they said they got a feed battle.
Yeah. See, there's a sheep.
Where's the sheep?
Bro, this one's just taking a wee wee. Go toss, come on. I don't know when they're gonna come and like do the attack. See, look. Come on. Come on down. See?
Me.
Nice ears, bro. Nice horns, bro. Huh? Nice horns, bro. He's thinking he's gonna get food.
Yeah. Don't look for me. No, don't. I have like.
Okay, we just pulled up to the goat farm. Mr. Goat is here. He's thinking I have something. He sees the blue, then let me grab that. Huh? Huh? I don't think they get a scratch.
It's like, do you have something for me?
See, me and my goat be chilling. I'm just don't bite me in the face.
No, I don't have something for you.
Me and my goat be chilling. Big chilling. You can walk there to that side if you want. Why did you look at me like that? I was like, yo, relax. Let me take this. Yo, relax. Goat.
You should have the todo, no? The bottle feeding.
You wanna take a picture? You can take a picture of them. You wanna take a picture up close of the goat? It's gonna look cool. Any hoozy, let's stroll on down. Whoa, why are you moving that much, bro? Relax. Relax. Jeez. So this went from a walk into a goat excursion. Look at that, one is still standing by you, like waiting for better days. Okay, jumping. So all of these are bottle fed. See, look at them looking at me. Yeah, you think I got something for you, don't ya? You too, don't you? Whoa. Don't get rowdy now. Come on, let's all relax. It's all nice and easy, okay? Who needs friends when you have goats and a sheep? Like, there's a few sheep there. There's another few down there. Okay, bye, buddy.
That's good.
Do you like that? Do you like that? Do you? Is this satisfying you?
Jeez.
You like that? Are you like yokel now? Are you like my dog?
Jeez.
Okay.
You're doing like someone like attack you like that.
Yeah, any hoozy. Damn, those geese be making a noise. Okay, bye guys. It's good seeing you, yeah.
Meh. Make a sound.
Meh.
Okay. Meh. Meh.
Meh.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Meh.
Look at that one. See? The sheep has no defense and he has to fight the guy with the horns. Like, bro,
Yeah.
I'm a bald head. Naughty.
You think you
Whoa, hairband fell.
can. Donkey.
What is that? Is that a chicken? A lost chicken. Can't see it, but he's down there. That's why I'm happy we got it.
Yeah.
It was meant for us to come back.
Otherwise, like.
Come back and get the jacket. Goodies! So we're gonna head back, Juga.
What is that?
Look at that chicken there. Oh. These are the most aggressive animals.
What?
These ones. They will jump on you. Papa, right down that corner. Okay, let's go. I must actually bring my thing here, like,
Huh?
I must bring my thing here, my smoky.
Oh, yeah.
Then I smoke here, no?
You know, a lot of us take.
Yeah, but we need to camp here, man. Yeah, cause I mean, yeah, you're right. I can just go anytime. Oh yeah. Stuck at the back. It's fine, right? The bottle in there. Oh really? Your bottle is there. Your bottle. Yeah. Look the baby one. See the baby one? He walks. Safari. Safari. Oh, there's Papa. I think he's countering. Look at him reversing all the way.
What? Where?
He's reversing all the way here. Look at it.
Yay!
Hey, hold on, do not go fast now. Why not? It's a good time. Go.
Running around town with what I know.
Run round with ready do. Lovely. We just came out and we're gonna see the sunset now from this beach. We just parked up there and now we're walking down, and yes, lovely ass. So we can even move more down.
We brought grapes.
More grapes.
Grapes. Cheese.
Cheese.
Water, of course. And
Crackers.
crackers. Some chips. That's it. And we're gonna look at the sunset. Picnic.
What did you say?
Picnic.
Bruh. That's so funny, bro.